Okay, and then now as you can see, our preschooler ducks and pupil chickens have already went inside their classrooms. Right? Nakapag-flag racing na rin tayo. Which can only mean that our class is about to start. Mabuhay at madayaw, my name is Mr. J. I'm actually one of your hosts in this 40-minute nature discovery experience. Now today, what we're going to do is we're going to learn a lot about birds, nature, culture, and hopefully, at the end of this show, a lot about ourselves and our relationship with Mother Nature. Okay, now I'm happy to see because I noticed we have a lot of kids present today. No? Ang daming mga estudyante natin. Kaway-kaway naman dyan sa ating mga estudyante. O yan, very good. No, pati yung hindi estudyante, kumuha na rin. But you know what? Hindi lang po sila yung magiging estudyante natin today because in fact, all of us are going to school together. Now, because what better way for us to learn and understand about birds, nature, culture, than learning it from our teacher birds themselves. Now, let me just share this to everyone, that our teacher birds are actually rescued and donated birds that we can no longer release back in the wild. Why? Number one, some of them are non-endemic. Ibig sabihin, hindi po sila taga rito. Even if they're physically fit, if we release them in the wild, surely they will not survive in our environment. But secondly, some of our birds are already left disabled from their previous injury. That is why we take this opportunity, do this activity to entertain our rehabilitated birds, at the same time teach you, our guests, about environmental and cultural awareness. Alright? So yan yung gagawin natin ngayong umagang ito. Now since all of you are going to be students of the Malagos Bird School, my question now to everyone would be, are we all ready to learn this morning? Okay, very good, because we are ready as well. So let's proceed with our first lesson, or first topic for the day, which is good manners and right conduct, or GMRC. Now with that, help me welcome our first teacher bird, at the same time, the star student of Malagos Bird School, an African gray parrot. Now, a little trivia muna tayo. Now, kasi they say, African gray parrots are the most intelligent among the parrot family. Did you know that? Alam niyo ba yun? That they even think like a 3-year-old child. Pero testingin natin, no? Kung gaano nga ba sila katalino. Okay. Now, can you greet your fellow classmates here the standard way of greeting here in Malagos? Sige nga, what do we say? Madayaw. Narinig nyo? Ano sabi ng ibon? Sabi niya, madayaw. Kasi that's how we greet here in Malagos. Pero hindi ka nagpakilala sa sarili mo. Kindly introduce first your name. Sige nga, what is your name? Wala. Narinig nyo? Anong pangalan niya? Anyone? Anong pangalan niya? It's actually Donald. Medyo slang lang yung bird namin, Pasensya, okay? Everyone, please meet Donald, okay? Now, many of you might be wondering right now, how are birds able to talk? But you know what? They don't. What they're doing is what we call mimicking. Now, this is very common because they do this to create bond or socialize with the other birds. Okay? Now at this point, kayo naman sana yung bumati kay Donald. Okay? Now if I may ask everyone to say, good morning, Donald. Good morning, Donald. Donald, sabi ng mga classmates mo, good morning daw. Sige nga, anong i-reply natin? Good morning. Ayun, kasi nga, as part of good manners, when someone says a good morning to us, it's best to reply a good morning as well, right? Okay, now Donald, ikaw naman, tanungin mo yung mga classmates mo kung kumusta kaya sila ngayong umaga nito. Sige nga, Donald. Hello, how are you? Sabi ni Donald, hello, how are you? Well, usually, we answer, I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Okay, now at this point, I'm curious to know, do we have birthday celebrants today? O for the month of October, meron ba? Dito, tumaas agad si Ma'am. Ayan, si Baby, very good. din dito. Very good. How about on this side? Do we have? Ayan, very good. Meron din tinuturo si ma'am. How about on this side? Do we have? Ayan, si kuya. Ayan si ate. Ayun pa sa taas. Very good. Ang dami pa ng mga birthday celebrants natin today, Donald. Or for the month of October. Sige nga, anong sasabihin natin sa kanila? Ayun, sabi ni Donald, happy birthday daw po sa inyo, no? Isa pa daw, isa pa. Ayun, very good, there we go. Sabi niya, happy birthday po sa inyo, and may you have many more birthdays and blessings to come. Oh, but wait, kasi I have here another bird na si Nigel. A super-crested cockatoo kasi may gagawin din daw po siya para sa ating mga birthday celebrants. Okay, anong gagawin ni Nigel?
Sing and dance.
Aba, sing and dance daw yung gagawin. This is going to be interesting. Sige, music please. Wow, very good ah. Oh, may pa-shoulder pa. Napakahusay naman. Sumayaw at kumanta pa na. Boom, tara-tara. Very good. A round of applause please for our lovely parents, Sina Donald, and of course, Nigel. Thank you so much to both of you. Now, we in Malagos believe that education and nutrition